Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I had a request to show how I made these tiny little planters for my Christmas village houses, so this video will show you how I did it. To create the miniature planters for the houses, I'm using craft sticks and wood glue. Using wood glue, I'll assemble the planter by attaching the front and the back to the base. These pieces are about an inch long, but the exact length will depend on the size of your window. The goal is to make the planter proportionate so it looks neat and complements the window. Since these planters are so tiny, it's a bit fiddly. It can be tricky to hold everything in place, but with a little patience, it comes together. Once the front and the back is secure, I'll glue another piece of the craft stick to the sides of the planter. And just like that, we have our miniature planter box. Now I'll set it aside to let the glue fully dry before moving on to painting. Once the glue is dry, I'll paint the planter. I'm using this gray shade from Waverly, but you can choose any color that matches your aesthetic. I wanted a neutral tone to give it a subtle neutral look. I am painting the front, the sides, and the bottom of the planter, but I'll leave the back unpainted since it will be glued directly to the house later. And don't forget to paint the top of the planter as well. For the greenery, I'm repurposing this little Christmas tree I picked up from the dollar store. It's been so versatile. I've used it to make these tiny little wreaths to decorate the houses, but I also made mini garlands out of it to decorate the houses, just like this one. And this time I am going to use it to create some foliage for my planter. I'll start by trimming the branches and cut them into smaller pieces. I am also going to trim them up a little bit. This way they will fit better into the planter. Using a hot glue gun, I'll pipe in some hot glue into the planter and stick the trimmed branches inside. To add a festive touch, I have this decorative branch with little berries on it. It's perfect for this project. I picked it up at the dollar store as well. I'll pluck a few of the red berries off and glue them in between the greenery to give the planter a bit of a holiday charm. Now that the planter is complete, it is ready to be attached to the house. I'll apply some wood glue to the back of the planter and firmly press it down under the window. You might need to place a small weight on it to ensure it adheres properly, but don't worry, it doesn't take too long to dry. And there you have it, a tiny festive planter to add that extra special detail to your Christmas village house. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy crafting!